Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Here I have my old chunky braids, and to loosen it, this is what I did. I go on to add some leave-in conditioner into my spray bottle, which already has water. And then I go in with oil, add some few drops of oil into the mixture. After applying that, I'm gonna go ahead to cover it and give it a very good shake, proper shake to mix properly. Then I go on to start spraying them onto my hair. Now the reason why I'm doing this is nothing else but length retention. I am on length retention journey. Yes, I already have healthy hair, so after achieving the healthy hair, what goes next is to retain length. That is the journey that I am on, and in this video I'll be explaining to you guys some of the reasons why we lose our length. And one of the reasons is breakage. If I don't do this to my hair, I shed a lot of hair. So in order to prevent myself from shedding a lot of hair, this is what I do. Now this preparation is very important for anybody that has natural hair on. That is, even if you are permed or unpermed like me, you need to do this, because with that you experience less breakage and less shedding. The easiest way to prevent your hair from breakage is using leave-in conditioner on your hair. Yes, so most times I do style my hair without using any other thing apart aside from leave-in conditioner, because with leave-in conditioner you have moisture in your hair. What other way to battle breakage than having moisture? When your hair is moisturized, there is no need for it to be dry, because dryness is what leads to that breakage we all have been talking about, and breakage leads to your hair not retaining length. So in order to retain length, you need conditioners in your life, both deep conditioners and leave-in conditioners. Both of them. The deep conditioner is when you want to wash your hair. That's when that one comes in. Then leave-in conditioner is the one you apply and you don't rinse it off. You leave it on your hair. It's light. The difference between the two is that one is lighter than the other. Leave-in conditioner is lighter than deep conditioner. So I noticed my palm became dry, so I had to re-oil my palms again. What this does is to prevent friction when you are loosening your hair. It serves as a lubricant that helps separate hair strands from each other. So likewise, you should also be gentle when you are doing this. You don't just yank it at a lot of pressure, especially on the hair tips. The hair tips are the oldest part of your hair, so you should be more careful and way more gentle when you are working on it. And the reason why we're not retaining length is overheating, using too much heat on our hair. I personally noticed that whenever I use heat on my hair, my next day I am definitely going to shed much more hair than I normally do. Especially the fact that the longer our hair grows, the weaker the ends become. You get, so when you're now applying heat on that, it weakens it the more, and hence is going to break off. So reduce the amount of heat you use on your hair. Only use heat on your hair maybe when you want to blow dry, because you want to have braid with extensions or some type of hairstyle that requires you to use heat. Aside that, don't use heat on your hair. It's not healthy. The next reason that I figured out is combing your hair a lot. When I comb my hair a lot and not use my finger mostly, I have a lot of breakage and shedding. Okay. Now, this being said, before you use your wide tooth comb, on your hair, after you must have moisturized your hair, use your fingers, run your fingers through the hair first, just like I'm doing right now. Run your fingers through your hair first, because with that is going to, reduce the friction that happens when your hair comes together. if you understand what I mean. Use your fingers first to detangle. Run your fingers through your hair first before you go in with your wide tooth comb. Regardless of how wide the tooth of the comb is, you should always try to use your fingers first. And finally, stop comparing your hair to another person's hair. Your hair is growing. The only thing is length retention. That is the only thing the problem most of us have. And to battle that, we need to care for our hair just the way we care for our skin. Take out your time whenever you want to take care of your hair. If you cannot take care of your hair by yourself, go to the salon. After losing the hair, this is the much hair that I shed, and that is it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Do well to click on that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and then share this video to anybody around you that you think or feel that needs this. A lot of people are not going to tell you this, but before you losing that old hair, prep it.